there, what up, doe? What up, doe? What up, doe? Hey there, what up, doe? What up, doe? What up, doe? Good evening, beautiful souls. Welcome to my very first session. I'm Fly44, and today we're starting something special together. Before we dive into our main class, we're going to take 10 minutes, about 10 minutes approximately, to warm up our bodies, connect to our breath, and set our intentions for this session. I want you to know that I'm new to teaching, and that means we get to grow together. So this isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, moving, and having fun. So if I miss a beat or if you mess up a step, we just laugh it off and keep going. Deal? Deal. Okay, let's do this together. Let's start with our breath. Feet hip width apart, shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for 2, and exhale slowly through your mouth. One more time, big breath in, hold and release. This is our reset button. Let's roll those shoulders back, nice and slow. Keep breathing. You're waking up those muscles. Let's get those arms moving. Reach up, stretch to the sky. Pull those elbows down. Take a big back stroke. Nice. Okay. Shout out everyone. Shout out to everyone. You're getting your joints ready for movement, and every little step matters, okay? So let's wake up those legs, step side to side, nice and easy, and a little bounce if it feels good. Good? Now, march in place. Let those knees pump those arms. Yes, that's it. Keep breathing. Let's go into some gentle squats. Sit back. There's a clear chair behind you. Then rise up. Don't lock those knees. Beautiful. And energy. Add energy. Step, tap. Those hips loose. Yes. All right. Let's bring it all together. Move those arms and legs together a little bigger each time, and some gentle torso twist side to side. Here comes that beat. Feel it in your body. You don't have to be on point. Just move and enjoy it. Woo! You should be feeling warm and ready now. Remember, the warm-up is where we set the tone for the rest of the class. So stay loose, stay present, and most importantly, stay connected to your body. You did amazing, and this is just the beginning. Now grab some water, take a deep breath, and get ready to bring that energy into our main session. Hallelujah. Yes, we're going to breathing awareness, upper body warm up, lower body warm up, full body flow, transition wrap up. Yes, it's Zumba, wake up Zumba. Sunday mornings with Fly44, and low impact, medium impact, high impact, whatever it is that you can handle. We're just going to say, first, love yourself.